I hold up my hands. I could never say the way I felt when you were so far away, and I won't dwell on mistakes that I've made yet again. Yes, it hurt, but not like it did back when I was much less mature, young and unsure of myself. Now my heart breaks much less. I started to think of the things I would say to myself if I could go back to the day that I cried, filled with the feeling of failure inside, not knowing what I should do, which direction to take. With so much at stake, I'd have liked some help to decide. So I'll write a letter to myself, and I'll date it 2010. I'll send my reassurances of how things have changed since then. No longer shy, no longer quiet. I forced myself to try new things, and my life's turned out alright. These things take some time, you'll soon come to see it's not so bad, and you'll start to enjoy being me, and you'll take pride in a life that you'll find meaning in and cast aside how lost you felt in your own skin. Between the places you go and people you know, you'll find your place with a smile on your face. And you might not believe me, you might not recognize yourself, you might start to worry that reading letters from the future might be bad for your health. But I got a letter from myself, it was back in 2010. I read my reassurances of how things would change past then. No longer shy, no longer quiet. I'll come out of my shell and I'll leave it at the side of the road I travel on, with the friends that tag along, and a voice for words I write. I force myself to try new things, and my life turns out alright.